Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland on an extremely warm day. It is 33 degrees centigrade, which is about 92 degrees Fahrenheit warm. And you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I've just put some white paint on. I have here cobalt blue, gold, black and white, and I thought I might do a little traveller in my little Chrissy cup. Isn't it cute? Alright, so I'm going to start off with a little bit of black. I think what I might do is put a bit of white between each one, the colours that is. That quite often looks very nice. And here we go. The recipes for this pouring medium and the paints you'll find below this video under Show More. And it's coming along nicely. Bit of white on the top, and I might just go plonk with the gold. And hopefully I will have something very pretty in a few minutes. Just give it a little pouring spout, and okay, so what I might do is this, see if this will work. Just to see if I can make some a little bit different. Into there. Oh yes, that is a bit nice. And maybe some of these. More over here, I think. Right. Well, how pretty is that? Where's this? Come on out. Just. Right. Quite pretty. So I'll just take him over this way. Soon see what we have. I need it a bit more over this corner. That'll do him. Well, that is rather good. With all that white I put in there, you can hardly see it. And the gold, of course, is just about gone. So I might do a little ring pour in there and using the same cup. With black and gold, I think. Just to see if I can just put a little add to it. Alright, let's see how this goes. Hopefully. I like this a bit better. Losing the blues. That's okay. Go, go, go. That's it. Oh, that is going to be golden. Right. And I'm quite happy with this. If I can just perhaps bring it in a bit more. Thinking. Okay. Well, that's gold. Gold on the edges here. Just to take those glue bits off, which is a shame, but that's the way it is. Taking the paint off the back here. a little bit. Wiping of the hands. Still having the blues coming through a little bit, which is actually all right. I don't mind that at all. Do mind that bit. The blue is starting to come through here too, so I might have to torch it and see what it's up to. But I quite like this. Just doing a little finger taps here to mix the colours on the corners. I think that looks quite nice. Alright, so I'm going to torch it and see what else I might like to do with it. I put no silicone at all in any of these colours whatsoever, just Floetrol in the pouring medium, but I've certainly got myself a little outer space job here. I might just put a little bit of black in there for a sort of a vortex, now that I see it. There you go, mate. Ah, alright, I got two. That might be one of those black holes. Let's see what we can do here. I didn't want the white, but there you go. I think I have a little Vortex. Just give him a little rock and roll. Okay, and I'm going to leave that. I really like it with my stars and my gold. Yes, yes, I think that's the same about that. Got a bit more gold here. Not so fussed on that bit. Okay, that's not so bad now. Right, yes, might just give it another little burst with the torch and bring it down. quite like this one before, so it's all good. It's a real little outer space job. I'm a little surprised myself with it. So that's what I was looking at. And that gold looks a little browny on here, but it's actually quite shiny. And there's my little centre. Underneath Show More you'll find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come along and join us. We have fun there. Look at those stars. How cute are they? We have a lot of fun over there. It'd be nice to have your company. I don't know if I can pick up the little... No, I'm trying to pick up the little speckly bits in the gold there. You can see them here with the blue, and it's the same thing over here, but it's with the gold. It's really nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the little bell beside, and you'll be notified when the next videos come up. And please give this video the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. And thank you again for watching. So, bye for now.